2024 is finally the year I'm going all in on my woodworking YouTube channel. I've been building my skills and my shop for the better part of 10 years, and my mission moving forward is going to be to build expressive furniture and inspire the future of craft. So why now? Why February 2024? Well, I, like many others this year, have found myself open to work. And I'm choosing to see this moment as wind in my sails, pushing me in the direction I've been dreaming about. Which is a good time to ask you to subscribe so I can feed my baby. Look at that guy, what a cutie. But for real, I need to pay the bills. Now, a lot has led up to this moment. You know, throughout my life and my career, I've always kind of felt like this awkward two-sided coin, like tug between blue collar and white collar work, where I had a white collar job that I, for the most part, loved, but I find myself all the time craving blue collar work where I can just get my hands dirty, sweat, and have a reason to shower something off by the end of the day. And it's kind of always been like that. You know, I started a longboard skateboard company in high school, made over 200 boards for my friends.
E.T. Phone home.
But I also became obsessed with graphic design, learning how to do a logo, make a website to sell my skateboards. So then I went into college as a business major, got bored after a month, switched to graphic design, had an epic time, mostly skateboarded. And even fast forward to last summer, my employer needed 2 dining tables. I said, I could do that. I brought a bunch of tools to the office, actually, involved my coworkers. And so I was building the tables in the morning and then doing my desk job in the afternoon. And honestly, that was sort of the closest I'd ever been to the balance that I want, where I'm getting my hands dirty, I'm doing woodworking, and I also have something like a YouTube channel that enables me to use my skills in the digital space. And that is why now feels like the perfect time to make my workbench my desk. I'm going to be committed to 3 things on this channel. The first is building epic furniture. At the heart of my channel is going to be designing and building unique, expressive, and story-driven furniture. Which brings me to my second commitment, inspiring content. A lot of woodworking content is purely functional and really just focuses on instruction, which is super useful. I watch those all the time. But I don't see very many people telling a compelling story, and that's what I want to do. I want to pull you into my client projects and show you the shared vision we're creating together, or maybe I want to scratch a creative itch. Like I have a whole series planned where I want to convert books into videos. And the third commitment I have is to relationships. So that's relationships between my clients, relationships between other makers, my neighbors in Durham, and you. So please let me know in the comments if there's something you want to build together. Now I think it's important to zoom out and ask, why does any of this matter? How does furniture and content and relationships actually leave the world a better place? Because me and my business exists, I want more people to express their God-given creativity. I also want more people to be capable of building things with their own 2 hands. And I want more people to experience the joy of high-quality furniture. When these things happen, I am happy. I could not be more excited to start my next project, building a crib for my buddy Ryan. I have a tight timeline on this one. I'll see you in the next one.